Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best robot pool cleaners you can get this year. Whether you've got a backyard oasis or a full-sized in-ground pool, these smart cleaners are built to save you time and keep your water crystal clear, all with minimal effort. From cordless convenience to AI-powered performance, we've rounded up the top options to make pool maintenance a breeze. All the product links are in the description below, so check those out. Let's start. Number 5. Zyerch Robotic Pool Vacuum. The Zyerch Robotic Pool Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution designed for in-ground pools. With powerful suction technology, it efficiently removes debris, dirt, and trash from pools up to 1,614 square feet in size. Powered by a 7,800 mAh battery and a 180-watt brushless motor, this robotic cleaner delivers up to 150 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. The built-in 300 micrometer filter ensures fine particles are captured, leaving the pool water clear and fresh. Equipped with intelligent navigation control, the Zyerch Robotic Pool Vacuum features more than 20 sensors that optimize cleaning efficiency. Using precise positioning technology, it follows an N-shaped path to maximize coverage while reducing cleaning time. Number 4. SMOROBOT Tank X1 CW Cordless Pool Robot Vacuum. The SMOROBOT Tank X1 CW Cordless Pool Robot Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning solution for in-ground pools. With ultra-powerful suction capability, it effectively removes dirt, debris, leaves, and algae, ensuring a spotless swimming environment. Equipped with an advanced scrubber brush, it thoroughly cleans pool walls, floors, and water lines. Designed for pools up to 2,500 square feet, this robotic cleaner delivers deep and efficient cleaning with minimal effort. Featuring smart navigation technology, the SMOROBOT Tank X1 CW is equipped with high-precision sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms to ensure full pool coverage. It intelligently maps the cleaning route, reducing missed spots and preventing the vacuum from getting stuck. The advanced dual-layer filtration system captures both large debris and ultrafine particles, providing a superior clean. The 4-liter filter capacity enhances performance by holding more debris, making maintenance easier. Number 3. Gosvor LiteVac 800 Pool Cleaner. The Gosvor LiteVac 800 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a compact and efficient solution for maintaining above-ground pools. Designed for powerful suction cleaning, it easily removes dirt, leaves, and debris, ensuring a crystal-clear swimming experience. With a lightweight design and bright orange color, it is easy to spot while in operation. The vacuum is suitable for pools up to 860 square feet, providing thorough and effective cleaning. This pool cleaner features cordless self-parking technology, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. It automatically parks itself when the battery is low, making retrieval simple. The battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous operation and recharges in just 3 hours. Number 2. Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Cleaner. The Aiper Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner is designed to provide a hassle-free pool cleaning experience. With powerful suction technology, this robotic cleaner efficiently removes dirt, leaves, and debris from the floor, walls, and waterline of in-ground pools. The generously sized filter basket captures both large and fine particles, ensuring clean and clear water. Its cordless design eliminates the need for external hoses or cables, making it easy to use without tangling or restrictions. Featuring intelligent navigation control, this robotic cleaner is equipped with an upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0 system, optimizing cleaning routes for maximum coverage. It follows an efficient cleaning path, reducing unnecessary overlap and ensuring the entire pool is cleaned in less time. Number 1. Betta SE Solar-Powered Robotic Pool Cleaner, the Betta SE solar-powered robotic pool. Skimmer is a smart and eco-friendly solution for keeping your pool surface clean. Designed for continuous solar operation, this device runs entirely on sunlight, removing floating debris like leaves, pollen, dust, and pet hair without the need for manual effort. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.